Welcome to the step-by-step guide to managing finances while touring the enchanting lands of India. Step 1. Always carry cash. While the world may be progressing towards cashless transactions, India still thrives on cash. It's not uncommon to find local vendors, auto rickshaws, and even some restaurants that only accept cash payments. Therefore, always have a reserve of Indian rupees on hand. Step 2. Use credit or debit cards wisely. International cards are widely accepted in India, but it's best to use them at reputable establishments to avoid fraudulent transactions. Also, be aware of foreign transaction fees that may apply. Step 3. Opt for prepaid travel cards. These cards can be loaded with the desired amount and used across India. They offer the convenience of a card transaction, with the added benefit of controlled spending. Step 4. Utilize mobile wallets. Mobile payment apps like Paytm, Google Pay, and PhonePe are widely used in India. Setting up an account may require an Indian phone number, which can be obtained with a local SIM card. Step 5. Exchange currency wisely. While it's possible to exchange currency at airports, rates are usually higher. Opt for government-approved exchange bureaus for the best rates. Step 6. Keep a close eye on your spending. India offers a plethora of shopping opportunities, tempting food, and intriguing experiences. It's easy to lose track of expenses. Maintain a daily budget to avoid overspending. Step 7. Protect your finances. Keep your cash, cards, and valuables secure at all times. Use hotel safes for storage and be vigilant about your belongings while in crowded places. In summary, navigating India's financial landscape as a tourist involves a blend of cash and digital transactions. Always carry cash, use cards wisely, consider prepaid travel cards, take advantage of mobile wallets, exchange currency at reputable places, monitor spending, and most importantly, safeguard your finances. Remember, the charm of India lies in its diversity, not just culturally, but also in its financial ecosystem. So, while the journey towards a cashless society may take a few more generations, the experience of managing finances in India is undoubtedly an integral part of the adventure.